Welcome back, everyone. Today I want to talk about purpose, doing things with a purpose in the salon. Whether it's a blow dry or whether it's a haircut or whether it's color, you need to make sure you have a reason why you're doing the technique that you're doing. If you were just doing it because you learned a new technique at a class this past weekend, that's not the reason why you should be doing that particular technique. If the hairstyle or the hair color or the look calls for that particular technique, then do it. What happens to stylists, especially new ones learning a lot of new techniques and they're really starting to develop their tool set, is they get confused on why to do certain things. And you have to do everything with a purpose. The way you blow dry hair, the way you're rough drying it, the way you're applying foils, where you're applying foils, how you're over directing the hair, the tension with the haircut that you're holding the hair with. It needs to have a reason why you do it that way. When you're starting to develop these skills, it's easy to get lost. Something that helped me out was I would map out a haircut before I started. I would map out a color. If I put this foil here, what will happen? Like, how's the hair lay when she pulls it, when she wears her hair down, or if she pulls her hair back, how's it going to look? And then maybe that technique you just learned, you want to use it, but you just can't, it's not the right time or place for it on that particular client. It's very, very important to do everything you do in a salon with purpose, because then you're going to have more control over the end result and the look of the hair. And especially as you're getting busier and you start having maybe, 2 clients in the salon or 4 clients in the salon, it's even more important to maybe take a breather and map out what it is you're going to do. It's going to save you way more time in the long run. So you're not fixing a foil that was placed on her part because you didn't take time to ask the client, is this where she parts her hair? So it's really important. Everything you do in a salon, do it with a purpose. I know you're learning a lot of new techniques and you're learning from TikTok to YouTube, Instagram, like there's techniques everywhere and you want to try them all, but pick the right time and place to try them on and the right client and the right look that technique calls for. So before you start anything, whether it's a haircut, a blow dry, and up to whatever, make sure the technique that you're doing is done with purpose and it's actually applicable for that particular look that you're doing. So any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. I will see you guys next time. All right, thanks for watching.